You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce these phrases, and we'll be looking at how to say actual names from different mythologies, including Norse mythology. So stay tuned to learn more about those. Norse mythology is how you say it correctly. Norse mythology. And now you know. More videos here on how to learn actual names from Norse mythology. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.